The variables are nothing but a name of a container that holds some type of a value in the programming world. Think of this as a water bottle. The bottle is a plastic container that can hold water, but remember that if the water is already in the bottle and you want to fill it with the fresh water, then the bottle needs to be empty. No, I did not waste the water. I was going to make the tea for myself with this water. If you need to know how to make a tea or a chai, just search for these words in YouTube. There are plenty of videos. Alright, back to coding. The same way the variables in C# holds a value, and that value can change at any time as long as you have access to that variable. Let's take a look at the example. I have a variable here called a, and that a contains a value 0. This int is just a data type. That int tells the compiler that this container, a variable a, can only hold integer values. If you look at this line right here, the container s can only hold the string values. And how do I know? By just simply looking at that data type right before the container name. Like the water bottles can be packed in a box, the same way we can declare multiple variables in the same line separated by comma, just to make sure that you end the statement with a semicolon. Okay, let's run this application, and now it's displaying the values that we have stored in the variables that we declared here. And as you can see that we have 0, 2, 2, 3. These are all my integers in these variables, a, c, b, and d. And then we have a string value stored in a string variable called s. Now, if we change the value of a, as you can see here, let me stop the application by clicking on this icon. So now my a value is 24. Once I do this, this is like a water bottle. You know, the old water has to come out, right? If you wanted to put the new water in. So same thing with this variable here, a. The old value, which is 0, will now be 24. So if I click on start here and run the application, you will see that before I had a value of a 0. Now when I changed it, the 0 is gone and it replaced the 0 value with 24. So in this video, you learned what is a variable and how you can use the variable to store values. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.